This is an original Eska straight-sided trailer. It would most often be found with smooth low-dome rims, but it would probably have switched to star rims about the time of the high post H. Some people feel there was a clevis made to hitch these trailers to the tractor. All fendered trailers have a bend in the hitch at the axle to allow the wheels to be lower to accommodate the fenders. We can see that the fender is straight along the edge, and that the inside of the trailer is square. The hitch here is oblong-shaped and the metal is flattened around it. This is an original Eska flare-sided trailer. It is called the flare-sided trailer because of the added lip at the bottom of the fender. It has star rims with the low dome hubcaps. This trailer has its IH decal on the back. Here is an example of a case flare-sided trailer. It also was made by Eska for use with the Eska cadmium-plated drawbar hitch. All trailers with fenders have the square trailer box on the inside, while all trailers without fenders have an indentation for the wheels. Here's a close-up of the flared fender, and we can see the star rim and the square-shaped interior, and the oblong-shaped hitch on flattened metal. This is possibly the third trailer in the series. It has a smooth metal rim with a low dome hubcap and no fenders. All of these trailers were made in different colors for all the different brands of pedal tractors. Here we can see the tire with a smooth dome rim, and the inside of the trailer with indents for the wheels, and the tubular shaft with a hole. This trailer has plastic rims to match the change to plastic front rims on the pedal tractors. It has the same tube shaft with a hole in the end for the hitch. It also was made in different colors to accompany the various model pedal tractors. This is the early model with a plastic front rim. Here is the plastic rim with the hat-shaped pushnut, and the inside of the box with the indentation for the tire, and the hole in the shaft for the hitch. This is a late model trailer with the plastic rim. This particular trailer was for later IH pedal tractors like the IH 1066 and 1086. It has the plastic rim held on with a hat-shaped pushnut. It has the indentations on the inside like the last trailer, and the same round hitch with a hole for the hitch pin at the end. We think that this is the first model trailer. It has a pin pressed into the front of the hitch which would hook onto the early model tractors. This trailer, which has been played with and repainted, has straight-sided fenders. It has smooth low-dome rims with high-dome painted hubcaps. The inside is square. Here's a close look at the pin pressed into the front of the hitch. This is the only trailer we have seen with a hitch like this. This is the hook nose trailer used on the following early Ertl models: the Oliver 1800 to 1855, the Ford 6000s, and the Case 30. They all have the hook nose hitch. Here is a close-up of the tire used on the hook nose, and the indentations on the inside of the box. And here, of course, is the hook-nosed hitch. This is a trackdoll trailer used with the trackdoll pedal tractors. The wooden slats can be removed. The hitch is flattened at the end and has a small hole for the hitch pin. The trailer was sold complete, or you could just buy the metal and make the trailer yourself. This is a Castelli trailer. It was manufactured in several colors to match the Castelli tractors. It uses the same rim as the tractors. The hitch is flattened at the end with a hole for the hitch pin. The tire has Castelli on the side. The Murray dump track was manufactured to match the Murray tractors. The back box actually dumps by moving the lever on the right side. The trailer was available in different colors to match the tractors. This is a playload trailer. We do not know for sure who manufactured this trailer. The end gate opens, and the tubular shaft has a small hole in the end for the hitch pin. This is a BMC dump cart trailer. This was made to accompany BMC tractors. It has smooth dome rims with no hubcaps. By pulling the lever on the right side, the trailer dumps. It has a hook nose style hitch. This is a Sears trailer. It accompanies a red model Sears tractor. It has plastic wheels and the same hook nose style hitch as the previous BMC.